giants? What an imagination.
To the dream zone, Potsworth.
Good. I've been waiting all evening to complain about my dinner.
You know, I really love it here. We can be anything we want to. Faster, stronger. Shoo, Murphy. Crabbier. We better call the Grand Dozer and let them know the Midnight Patrol is ready for action. Good idea, Super Nick. Voila!
Hello, Nick.
Wow! How did he know it was me, Sebastian?
Maybe it's because he's standing about 2 feet away from you.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, the Midnight Patrol. Good, good. I have an important assignment for you. Go right over to...
Oh, dear.
The chief at the Snooze Patrol right away.
Oh, I'd better get his drowsiness to bed.
You heard the man. Follow me to the chief.
They're always in such a hurry.
There's absolutely no time to waste. Get these orders to the gray stone giant at the cave immediately.
Right away, Chief.
You called, Chief? This is your next assignment.
Peanut butter and banana sandwich?
That's my lunch. Here.
I'll get right on it, Chief.
The Midnight Patrol reporting for duty, Chief. Huh? Oh, yeah. Come on, you guys. Get with it.
Oh, yes, sir. Go on. Yes, right.
I'm glad you're here. I have a very important assignment for you. The gray stone giant is falling way behind in deliveries. How can people have proper dreams without the giant's dream supplies?
Good question. Nicholas! Sorry, Rosie. Thank you.
I want you to go to the cave and find out why the giant is taking so long.
Aye, aye, ma'am. Guys, come on. Aye, aye, ma'am.
Stick around. This is probably when the trouble starts.
Bicycle, check. Hippopotamus, check. We still need the ocean liner.
Ocean liner, it's always one more thing. They should be in here somewhere. I don't know where it is. Yeah, that's not it. Hey, here it is. Here you go. Now go on, get out of here.
Excuse me, I'll need some ocean to get this where it's going.
First I get her the boat, now she wants water. What's with these people around here? They are never happy.
Thank you!
Midnight Patrol, halt! It's awful quiet. Do you think he's in there, Keiko?
What's this doing here? It's always in the way. I ought to throw it out.
He's in there. Come on. Wow, what a mess. It might be tough for even me to fix.
I need a steamroller, that's what I need. I know I got a million of them here. There's got to be one of them around here somewhere. Hey, what are you doing? Give me that! Nobody messes with my cave!
Ew, what a grouch. Wow, look at all the cool toys.
You heard me, kid. Don't touch the merchandise. It'll put me in a bad mood. Hey, what's your problem?
The chief asked us to find out why your orders are so late.
Why am I late? Hey, you try filling all these orders. They keep sending more orders before I can even catch up. I don't even have time to break for a hot cup of lavin or nothing.
Wow! If I had all that work, I'd be vacation.
With all this work? What a dumb idea.
Well, just when was the last time you took a vacation?
Are you kidding? I've been on this job since it started a few thousand years ago.
Well, then that's it. You need a vacation. That way, when you come back, you'll feel so rested, you'll be able to keep up with all the orders.
Yes, you're right, yeah. And who's gonna fill these orders in the meantime? The dream zone would fall apart without my stuff.
I'll tell you who'll fill the orders. We will. With my help, we'll be caught up in no time.
Here they go again.
You said you never took a break, didn't you?
Well, you know, I mean, yeah.
But you like to, wouldn't you?
Well, yeah.
Well then, have fun.
Hey, wait a minute!
What is it, Mr. Giant?
If you're watching a cave, you gotta follow a few rules. Rule number 1, don't let anyone in.
Right.
Rule number 2, don't lose the key.
Check.
Yeah. Rule number 3, don't let anyone in.
We get the idea. Don't forget your suitcase, Mr. Giant.
Wait a minute! Where exactly am I supposed to go?
Use your imagination. Go to the beach. Go skiing. Go anywhere, but go.
All right, I'm leaving. But I don't know why. How am I supposed to get any work done on vacation?
He must have used up half of his vacation just trying to leave. Come on, Midnight Patrol. Let's get to work.
Does anyone have the faintest idea what we're getting into?
No problem. Sure, of course.
I didn't think so.
Don't worry, Keiko. I'll take care of this. Hey, Keiko. They need a sled back at Dream Central. Rosie, find a sled for Dream Central, please. Oh, Nicholas. What is it, Rosie? I need you to find a sled for Dream Central. You got it. Any suggestions on where to look, Murph? Oh, I know. Carter, can you get a sled over to Dream Central? Thanks. Oh, never mind. Rosie, this order's for a beach ball. No problem. Maybe there's a beach ball in here. Nicholas! What's the matter, Rosie? Tell Keiko there are no beach balls. She'll have to find something else. Right. Don't say anything, Potsworth. Not a word.
Me?
We don't have any beach balls. Rosie said to send something else. No beach ball. Okay. Here, take this ball instead.
Okay.
Is it just me? Or are things not going very well?
Don't worry, Potsworth. I've got everything under control.
More orders for the giant!
Potsworth!
I know. You can handle it.
I don't understand it. What's so funny about the beach? There ain't nothing here but sand and water.
Here's your ball!
Oh, what a crummy dream!
This is no fun. I don't like it here. Hey, maybe it's better in the water. Big deal. I thought water was supposed to be wetter than this. Maybe I'll try the snow. Vacations. I knew I should have stayed at work.
Mom, get off my case. I am trying to spoil people's dreams, Mother, but it's not always the easiest job in the world, you know. If she thinks she can do better, let her come here and try it. Calm down. I wasn't talking to you. I'll get back to you, Mom. What's going on here? Ooh, it sounds like trouble to me.
It is. Sarah just told Spike that she doesn't love him anymore.
Not on that TV program, you idiot! This one.
Oh.
Oh, it looks like the Giant's cave.
Yeah, and those poor kids seem to be having problems.
Oh, that's too bad. Maybe I can help.
Boss, I can't believe it. You actually want to help them?
Well, of course I want to help. To make things worse.
The dozer needs a number 7 dream enhancer. Rosie threw that out. Not another one. Hello? 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 I don't know, Keiko, but I think we're starting to get a little behind in our order taking. You're right, Nick. I hate to say it, but maybe Rosie can help us get things together. I'm not neat anymore. Rosie? Not neat? We really are in trouble.
Yoo-hoo, Mr. Giant. I've got an order for you.
Oh, no. Not another order. Come on, gang. Let's go see what he wants. The Giant's not here. Can we help you?
Yes, well, I was supposed to pick up a flying carpet for, a dream. Nice doggy. Run along.
Well, we're kind of busy now. If you come back in a couple of hours, maybe we will have found it by then.
All right, tell you what. I'll run in and grab it myself. I know right where it is. Go on, dog. Scat.
Hey, didn't you just have a beard?
I, shaved.
Oh, sorry, but we're not supposed to let anyone into the cave.
Yes, well, if you want to make the Giant mad, that's your problem.
Well, I guess you can go ahead and get it if you hurry.
Well, don't worry. I'll be done before you know it.
Are you sure we should have let him in there? I'm positive, Rosie. We would have never found it anyway. Besides, what could possibly go wrong? Uh-oh. He wasn't supposed to do that. Yeah, and he's locked the door, too. Don't worry. At least we still have the key.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. I almost forgot it.
Oh, no! It's the Nightmare Prince! And his cave napped our job! Gang, this could be trouble.
I could have told her that.
Maybe we better find the Giant and tell him what happened. No way, Rosie. Keiko can handle this. She doesn't let anything stop her. We can get him out of there with a midnight patrol. This should do it. Forget it. Wait a second. I've got it. Watch this.
Yes, what is it?
Here's the Dream Scout cookies you ordered.
Oh, goody. I just love Dream Scout cookies.
Hey! Next idea?
Before anyone else volunteers, I'm going to get the Giant.
Wait, we can handle this, Potsworth. Things aren't that bad. At least he hasn't blown the place up.
Oh, you guys should be in here. I'm having a great time.
This is not going our way.
Skiing? I don't get it. I wonder what'll happen fall into a volcano or get attacked by wild animals, be hit by a meteor. I can hardly wait. Maybe this vacation wouldn't be so bad if I hadn't forgotten my let's see what it is. Oh, yeah, my toothbrush. Yeah, that's it, my toothbrush. I better go back to the cave and get it. I can't have any fun without my toothbrush.
It won't work.
Well, it was worth a try.
Call me a party pooper, but I'm going to get the giant. Oof.
Wow, that was fast. What are you doing back so soon, Mr. Giant, sir?
I know I'm supposed to be gone, but I forgot my toothbrush. I'll just run inside and get it. Hey, why is the door closed?
Well, we're kind of locked out.
Oh, yeah? You mean you locked yourself out?
Not exactly. The Nightmare Prince locked us out.
You weren't dumb enough to give him the key, were you?
Hey, we're the Midnight Patrol. We wouldn't give him the key. That's right. We just watched while he stole it.
Oh, why me? I don't know. I must have made somebody mad once.
But you're so big, you can just bash that door right down, can't you?
Nope.
But there must be some way to get through that door.
There's no way. I built that door myself. A tank couldn't get through there. A hurricane couldn't get through there. We're talking nothing here.
Oh, great. The dream zone is ruined, Earth is doomed, and it's all our fault.
Nah, we just go through the back door.
The back door?
Keep an eye on the old meter, Mom. It's going to be a new record. It's going to be off the charts. I'll have to call you back, Mom.
Excuse me, but you're in my cave.
I think I'm going to need this. Hello.
Son,
Mom, I don't want to talk about it right now. Oh.
Gee, it's almost time for us to wake up. We've got to get going. We tried to put everything back where we found it. We even put back all of your disgusting dust.
I know you children meant well. I know you did your best, but do me one favor.
Sure, what's that?
Don't ever try to help me again!
That giant is Grouch City. I'm sorry about the assignment, Chief. I guess we didn't do too well.
Are you kidding? The giant's almost caught up with his orders. He's never worked faster.
Then I was right. He did need a little vacation. No way, Keiko. It was my straightening up that did it. No, Rosie. It was...
It doesn't matter how much you train them, they still act like humans.
Whatever it was, the dozer appreciates your help. That is, he would if he was awake.
Come on, gang. The last one to wake up back home's a rotten egg. Goodbye!
Goodbye!
Huh? What?
It was just the Midnight Patrol, sire.